And then we build a bunch of more blocks.
Alright, we're building another boat, or boats. See how good we can do today. Alright, let's see what we got. I feel like you don't want to make the boats too wide because they're hard to like navigate through the obstacles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm liking the look of this. I'm liking the looks of this.
And I'm gonna put a 4 on here.
Do you put those in there?
I'll put the steering wheel somewhere else. So, steering wheel. How do you talk?
Hit R. What's gonna happen here? Looks pretty good.
I wanna have to for that and that, but
Pretty good looking boat, I think.
can you twirl it for me?
You ready to launch it?
Yeah.
Are we in the seat?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Whoa. Oh, I'm facing the wrong direction. Well, no. Can I go this way? Yeah. That's not. Oh no, this is not good. It's not turning. I can't control it. Oh wait, that turned the. You see that? Switch turned the. Whoa, my gosh. Oh, okay, I might go in a circle. Whoa, what on earth? Oh, what happened? Oh no, are we stuck? Oh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. We're having a major boat malfunction over there. What is happening? Why? Okay, let me hit the switch again. Oh my gosh. I just want to go forward. Okay. Switch. Oh, this is crazy.
But we gotta go to
I can't stop it from spinning.
that. Get what that means. We gotta go to shore and get another boat.
Why is it spinning like this?
I could take that off. I can't take nothing off.
Oh. I'm shooting cannonballs everywhere. I'm trying to. What on earth? What do we do? What's wrong with our boat?
We just gotta build it over again.
We gotta build it over again.
Yeah. Pick her up. I want her to pick her up.
I don't know if he's gonna pick us up.
What is?
Cause boom.
Wait, I think we can set the. I know what to do.
Brother.
Wait, Dad. Yes. Yes. Get in, get in. No.
He abandoned us. He wouldn't let us jump in his boat. Look at our boat. Oh my gosh, that was what in the, is that? What? This is crazy. I don't even know what happened. So is that other crazy boat gone now or what?
On the fourth YouTube. Oh!
What in the world's going on over there?
I better get a head boat.
He going crazy over
Get
there.
out of the way, bro. But you, good boat. Let's get away from him.
He's crazy.
Lag.
Did his boat blow up? I didn't see.
I saw like his like flying.
That was crazy.
Hey, Daddy, are you making a potion? That look like potion.
That was it.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to, but you know, just building something.
I can put hands on it.
All right, now
With a jib.
chair.
Yeah, but don't lose it. Oh,
Steering wheel?
maybe.
Maybe. Why not? Steering wheel. What do you think?
Good.
And then I'm gonna put a cannon on it.
Yep.
Right.
But last time we did a cannon, the button made the cannon go crazy.
Well, hopefully it doesn't go crazy this time, but we'll see what happens. What do you think? I think it looks pretty decent, right?
You're missing something.
What am I missing?
The arms.
The what?
I posted already arms.
Arms?
Yeah.
I wanted like a small little boat that's easy to control. You know what I mean?
You want it?
I didn't want it to be too big.
What do you need D block for?
I wasn't gonna use those blocks. I was just gonna go with it like this.
Okay, but I gotta get so broke.
Well, thanks for having faith in me, bro. You ready for this?
Yes.
Prepare to be amazed.
But look at that boat.
I don't know what's going on over
Look
there.
at that boat. That why?
Why is my stuff breaking off already? Why?
That why you? I was trying to warn you. That why I want to get on blue team.
I'm better than blue team.
They not like it.
Watch this. Can blue team do that? Oh wait. Can blue team do that? Oh wait. It didn't do
Blue
like that.
team made something bigger than yours.
Oh yeah. Look at this. 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 Look at my boat just sliding through here, boy. Small, compact, and swift. You see that?
But Knuckles does this, 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 and this.
Oh yeah. You don't think so? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this precision.
Don't talk about this. The octopus. Not gonna like that.
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Oh,
Oh
this.
no.
I was trying to warn you.
Oh no. No, no. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
But I didn't will feel off.
It's okay. I still got control of it. I'm such a good captain. I don't even need a steering wheel. That's how good I am. Oh, it put that stinking pretzel right in my face, bro. Oh no, not this part where they throw baseballs at me. Oh, this level is hard. Okay, come on. Oh my gosh, stop! No!
As in,
Not the engine. No, now I can't control it. They did me in. No. Wait, we might make it. Stop throwing baseballs already. Jeez, you're crazy. Crazy person. We did it. We made it through.
Oh gosh.
Somehow, I can't. Too bad I can't control this thing at all now.
Ah!
Oh, this level. Oh no. Oh. It's over. It's over.
I'm gonna end us.
Oh. How much gold? Oh. Okay. Okay. That was.
Okay.
That was kind of crazy. We're working together to make something, though, aren't we?
Then nobody else here.
It's not about me and you, man.
There's a one person in the green.
This is gonna be a small boat. But that's gonna make it easier to control.
Oh, we can be also my team. So say yes. I wanna be on this daddy. Yay, he on my team now. Come on, Bolt. We'll make it chill for him.
Let's see what he's trying to do here.
We'll take him in jail.
But okay, see, this is why I didn't want some random person on our team, bro.
Daddy, can I tell you something?
What?
You that wire got put an extra chair.
He started up. We weren't even ready. That's it.
Don't knock him. Don't do it, Daddy.
That's it.
Don't do it.
We're out of here, bro.
Just watch him. Just give it.
He sabotaged our boat.
That's because you did put an extra chair for him.
I didn't get a chance to.
They're posted over there. But next time, put the chair for somebody who want to be on our team.
I didn't even get a chance to. He just sabotaged our boat. What is this?
I like it.
Where'd that come from?
I like it. Ah!
Oh! What on earth?
What?
What was that about?
I don't know if.
I have no idea what that was. Was that somebody's boat? Wait, there's our first boat. It's still over there. Is that our boat that we made?
Yeah, that why did it want to be that team?
What are you talking about?
The boat, they gotta be so crazy. See, look at that boat. They can fly. Oh, no.
Well, we gotta get different parts and stuff for that, though. Like, that's why I was trying to unlock one of those better chests so we could see, like, what other... Boy, what are you doing? Hey, look out, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, you crazy person?
I mean,
What are you doing over here in this spaceship boat? Oh, this guy... What is this guy's problem, huh?
maybe he want a teammate on it?
I don't think so.
He,
I think he's trying to squish
I
you.
yeah.
He's trying to squish you with his spaceship boat.
Oh, God. Ow! Ah! I think he want me to...
Somebody call the police! It's still crazy.
Woohoo!
What? He hooked us like we're a fish.
No.
I don't even know where we're at now.
I feel like...
Are we in the
He
sky?
oofed us!
He oofed us. Are we in the sky? Are we in the water? Where are we exactly?
He made us fall.
That dude crazy.
After
What? He's back.
don't you dare.
What's this over here? Look like a little office?
Huh? Huh? They bet did it, Sean. They did. How little team?
Did he leave the game or something? Is that why he disappeared?
I took a
I'm
wide.
confused.
I took a wide dip out. After I got more for it.
That's supposed to be a boat? It's like somebody's office.
I bet. Bye. Click the
Bye.
like button, subscribe,
And
click the like button.
click the like button and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.